Maraming salamat po.
5 minutes more and the show will start. Alright. Say hi. Cutest.
Mag-story yan lang.
To glorious Fantasyland, where every day is the festival. To all our guests, we are inviting everyone to gather around at glorious Fantasyland Center Stage for you to witness our matinee show for this evening. In a few minutes from now, you will see and feel the spirit of Christmas as we present to you the glorious Fantasyland Christmas Carol, and followed by the Festival of Lights Parade. To have fun and enjoy your stay here in glorious Fantasyland, where every day is the festival.
Sada sila kiko.
Ito nagamit sa screens na binubuang.
Alright.
Welcome to glorious Fantasyland, where every day is a festival. Hope you have gotten your seats already. Tonight's fictions will start in 3 minutes. Muli po namin kayong binabati ng maligayang pagbisita sa glorious Fantasyland kung saan araw-araw ay festival. Sana po ay nakahanap na kayo ng mauupuan. Ang aming malaking palabas ay magsisimula na sa loob ng 3 minuto.
Okay, 3 minutes sa layo pa kayo ba?
Pagbisita sa glorious Fantasyland.
Okay na ka kamot eh.
Kamoy nakakita na
Okay na kaya
pwesto.
kamot.
Magsugod na ang pasundaya sa sunod sa 10 minuto. Busa, andama na ang inyong mga kamera.
Wow.
Tigudyaga na sa Festival of Colors.
Ihalap lagi lang. Ihalap. Ihalap ang bak.
Alangon kay... Ay! Pangit kitag ko ano. Ala. After. Hi,
And now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage the glorious Fantasyland performers presents the glorious Fantasyland Christmas Carol.